This whole property is yours. See these little landmarks? All right. Yeah, it's for you guys. It's for you guys. Yeah, it's all paid for.
Thank you.
It's from a subscriber. Anyway, I'm being squeezed to death. Hey guys, Raymond's coming behind me. We're having our first meeting with a landowner of the potential person we might buy it from. So Raymond's gonna pick me up. We're gonna go talk to him. Wish us luck. Hopefully we can buy some property for their family. All right, ready, bro? Yeah. Oh. Oh. All right, so it's getting surveyed right now. We're putting in the landmarks. Here's the first one. And then we'll go over there. They're digging the second one. And the third and fourth. We have this big square.
We have 6 coconut trees.
We have 6 coconut trees, a mango tree.
1 mango.
Yeah, so pretty cool. So there's Raymond's property right there. And it's 220 meters, 220 square meters. All right, the surveyors just left. I'm just gonna give you kind of idea of where the land is. Here's the first landmark, and then it goes all the way a little past the mango tree. So we get all these coconut trees, and the next landmark is over there somewhere, and Raymond's by the other one. Hey Raymond! Hey! And then soon we'll go sign for the papers. We just paid the surveyor. It was 8,000 pesos. So next we'll sign the papers for the land. So pretty exciting, guys. Pretty soon this is going to be Raymond's family's land, and they can do whatever they want. They can build without any problems. They can climb the coconut trees, mango, banana, and they can have their own garden, plant whatever they want.
Okay. Yeah. First step.
All right.
Because you're the next to do it.
Okay, I'll try it next.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ready? Step first inside.
Say something first before you start. That's the first time?
Yeah, my first time.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Am I doing it right?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like this, bro. Like a chicken. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Hey, look at all these goodies that these nice people. What are your names, by the way?
Mom Wilma.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm John.
Awesome. You guys, thanks so much. Look what they brought. All these goodies.
Possible that you're going to mention my brother,
Yeah.
Nelson.
Okay. Yeah.
Nelson.
Yeah, shout out to your brother. Okay.
Nelson.
Or Nelson. Thanks a lot, Nelson.
She's the
Nelson.
author of this.
Yeah.
things now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And look, we got t-shirts, lots of goodies in here, lots of noodles. Man, that's so cool. Thank you so much. Raymond, 2 days away from owning the property, buddy. Yes.
Coconut wine.
Yeah. We have like 6 or 7 coconut trees. Look at this meal. It's Zoe's 3rd birthday. Also celebration for the property. Very cool. That's Zoe. Happy birthday.
High five! Yay!
Cheers, buddy.
Same t-shirt.
Hey, nice t-shirt. Which t-shirt do you like better? So hopefully this time, by next year, we'll have an Airbnb. If anybody comes to Toledo next year, make sure you look up Raymond to stay in his Airbnb. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys Monday. All right. All right, guys, this is Raymond and Richie's family. It's everyone together. We have so many people passing in and out that you might have not had a chance to see everyone together. So this is their family. And I've been talking with somebody, and they have a gift for every single person here. And they're gonna meet us down there. So that's what we're going to do now. We're gonna take a walk and meet the person there.
Including me?
Yeah, including you. Yeah, everyone gets a gift. So we're gonna walk down there and we'll see when we get there. The whole entire family's coming. We got Detective and the little guy. This is his first time coming out this far. He doesn't know what's going on.
No more quarantine.
Yeah, he's free. All right, here we are with everybody at the under the mango tree, a different mango tree. The surprise is this mango tree and the rest of this property. Yeah, this whole property is yours. See these little landmarks? SP, whatever that stands for. Yeah, there's 4 of these. 1, I don't know where the second was. 2, 3, 4, and this whole property is yours. Want to walk around it?
Yeah.
Want to see where it is? All right.
Us?
Yeah, it's for you guys. It's for you guys. Yeah, it's all paid for.
Thank you.
It's from a subscriber, and I'm being squeezed to death. And he wants to be anonymous, so it's from the bottom of his heart. Like, he did this without wanting any praise. So thank you so much. You know who you are, and he doesn't want. Oh, don't cry! Don't cry! Don't cry! Tears of joy. Oh.
Me too, me too.
All right, so thank you so much. And the person, he doesn't want any recognition, so he's doing it from the goodness of his heart. So that's.
Laughing too. I'm crying.
Thank you. They're very happy. Thank you so much.
Say, thank you to the.
So you can say thank you. He'll watch it. Just say thank you so much. And it's to everybody. I mean, it is the one person that bought the land, but it's everyone's help. I mean, it wasn't for this channel, for people watching the ads, like everything together. It's a mix of everything. So thank you guys so much.
Can we meet him?
Well, he wants to be anonymous, so no. But if you want to say thank you,
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you very much.
that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dang. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, dali.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ina, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so there's 4 of these. There's one over there.
First.
We can walk around. You get all these coconut trees. I think there's like 6 coconut trees. So here's the second one. Another one's by the mango tree. And the third one's straight across this way. It's a really big rectangle. Here's the third one. So mango tree, over there where we were before, straight to here. And there's one more over there. Raymond, you stay there. I'll go stand by the other one. All right. So near that mango tree, over there, to Raymond, and then to myself.
Chicken. Chicken, the snake. Oh, snake. Coconut. So we can make our own tuba.
All right, we're gonna have our own tuba business. So we already have, I think, 6 coconut trees with an extra 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Once we plant these, about 13.
More. Before we plant, maybe we start making salad. Buko salad. We have milk. We have royal.
All right.
We have biscuit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's hard to climb because no notches there. But I tried it.
Raymond's climbing the coconut tree for the first time on his own property. Yeah, on his own property. No one can tell him no. Good job, Raymond. Whew. Cheers to the first
No,
coconuts.
cheers. Table.
All right, tables. Tables
Table
to the
for
first
the
coconuts.
first coconut.
And many more to come.
Yeah,
Ah, man, that's good.
3 years from now.
Nothing tastes better than your own coconuts.
Yeah.
You know?
Why?
These are yours.
Explain.
Because this is yours.
Oh.
No one can take this away from you. You can do what you want.
Table.
Table.
Not cheers.
All right, the rain is coming. We're gonna try to make this as quick as we can.
The biscuit and the royal, mom makes already. Next, the durian. Only 3 ingredients. Condense.
You can hear the rain coming.
Yeah.
How long do you think we have?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? You can hear it far in the distance. It's coming this way. Can you guys hear that? It's getting closer and closer. Here comes the rain! Alright, we have our bowls ready.
Yeah.
Makes a perfect bowl. Raymond, where'd your bowl go? Here's to a new house.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No, table.
Alright, here's my coconut tree I'm gonna plant.
Yeah. What's the name of your coconut?
No name yet. I'll wait till it's born.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Alright. So 1 coconut tree planted. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7. We're gonna put these 2 over here. Alright, so we bought these, and these actually grow shorter.
Yeah.
So they don't get as tall as the other ones. Yeah, okay. So these would probably be half the size of that, right?
Half.
So maybe even I can climb that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Only standing.
Only standing, alright. So 3 to 5 years we can harvest these.
3 to 5 years. Yeah.
That's awesome.
1, 2, 3.
Like that.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Like that.
Woo.
Alright, what should we name this coconut?
Ray dust.
Ray dust.
Oh,
Alright, ray dust.
ray dust.
Alright, here's ray dust.
Oh, say
We'll see you in about 3 to 5 years.
talk that coconut.
Talk
say,
to it?
Yeah. Say
Alright, ray dust.
give us
Please.
more.
Please produce
more.
us lots of coconuts.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give
That's
a
a
little.
that's a technique in
That's what they do?
yeah.
They talk to it?
Yeah.
I think it is good to treat your plants just as good as you treat
Yeah.
anybody else.
Say ray dust. Say ray dust.
Ray dust.
Yeah.
Ray dust. Please grow good. Alright,
Oh.
here you go. See you in a couple years.
Oh. 3 years from now.
Yeah.
Ray dust number 7.
Ray dust number 7.
Understand?
It doesn't matter what you say, it's what you mean.
Oh yeah.
Right? Who knows what you just said? But I think you meant well. So you don't need to put them very deep, huh?
Yeah. Done it.
You just put the top on?
Yeah.
This is how coconut trees grow? You just plant the coconut?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Sometimes they don't plant.
Okay.
They grow itself.
Okay.
After stealing from the tree.
So coconuts are pretty much just a big seed.
Yeah.
Okay.